Hi there, in this video I will show you how to set up alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So let's go to the clock application. This application has few tabs, and if you are not on the alarm tab, so just swipe right and go to the alarm tab. Now you can add your new alarm by tapping plus icon. Here you can set the time of your alarm, set the specific date when your alarm will trigger, and or set the specific weekdays, and this alarm will be repeated each Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. In this case you can rename your alarm, but don't tap save right now, just tap the right navigation button to hide keyboard. Then you can set the alarm sound from your phone, from Spotify or Bixby, adjust the loudness. So set up the vibration, go back and set up your snooze mode, how long it takes in your case, I don't know, maybe you wish to snooze 30 minutes and how many times, 5 times, or maybe the alarm will disturb you forever, it's up to you. Now you can save your alarm. Here it is, named hello, and I have few more created alarms to show you the edit mode. You can tap on these 3 dots, go to edit, and then you can choose a couple of alarms and turn them off together. Now let's go back to 3 dots and edit and choose these 2 alarms and tap on delete icon, and that's it. This is how you can use your alarm on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.